when everything feels lost, when the ground forgets your name. Run, Towa, run. The sky fell down without a sound, and silence wore a crown of fear. You held your breath, you closed your eyes, but all your ghosts were standing near. The fire you carried turned to dust, the road ahead began to fade. Yet in the dark a quiet voice was calling you to not be afraid. Rise, even when your knees won't hold. Breathe, even when the night is cold. There's something in you they can't break, a sacred path you're meant to take. When everything feels lost, Towa, to the ashes, through the pain. Let your spirit cross the water. You were never born to break. Run, Towa, don't look behind. There's a fire in your soul. Even in the darkest night, you are still becoming whole. Your tears fell like a quiet rain, washing wounds you couldn't see. Every scar a hidden map leading to who you could be. They tried to name you with your pain, tried to chain you to your past, but the thunder in your chest was always built to outlast. Let the echoes guide your way. There's a dawn beyond the gray. Every fall is not the end, is where your soul begins again. And everything feels lost, so through the ashes, through the pain. Let your spirit cross the water. You were never born to break. Run, Towa, don't lose your flame. Even when the winds are strong, there's a power in your name. You've been rising all along. If you fall, the earth will move. If you cry, the sky will heal. You are not alone in this. Even shadows disappear. Carry the light, carry the light. When everything feels lost, let the broken turn to gold. From the ruins, from the silence, watch your story be recalled. Run, Towa, this is your becoming, not an end, but why you start. Every step is resurrection, every beat a healing heart. Everything feels lost, when everything feels lost, when everything feels lost, when everything feels lost. When everything feels lost, when everything feels lost, when everything feels lost, when everything feels lost. when everything